He says she's staying with her elder brother, but he doesn't know where the elder brother stays.
Listen, I want you to act as fast as possible, okay? That's what I want you to do.
Sure. But Mama, I don't know how much you're willing to pay on this matter.
Why do you ask?
There's this friend of mine. He has this device in his laptop that can track anybody anywhere in any part of the world.
You mean GPRS?
Yes.
How much does it cost?
Well, I'm not sure. I don't know. But I know it costs a lot. He works for all these big men and all these security operatives.
Contract him immediately. I want you to get this work as soon as possible.
Sure, I will. I'll do that immediately.
Okay. Hello? Yeah, okay. I'll get to the boutique and I'll let you know when to get there.
I think I will get a lawyer to pick those women up. We won't just let them go free like that.
Contract a lawyer on what basis?
We'll get a professional that knows what to do. He just pick them up.
That's what I'm asking. Getting a professional to do what exactly?
About what your ex-wife told me.
Point of correction. My wife. No ex.
Are you joking?
No, I'm not joking. And secondly, I just think there's no need for all of this, okay? I don't want anybody to put my wife's name on jeopardy. Let's just forget about this case.
So you mean we should just allow them to go like that?
That is what I'm saying. There's no need for all these things. Let's just leave this thing. The deed has been done.
I'm even surprised you're still calling that murderer your wife.
No. We are friends, okay? Very good friends. I wouldn't want us to have problem. I'm telling you the truth. Don't call my wife names, Biko. Biko. She's my wife. Don't call her murderer.
Oh, okay.
Biko.
Hey, baby Nayoka. How are you? Which one, my friend? Wait. Let me ask him. Wait. One now. That my babe now. Let her arrange one babe for you. Yeah? One fine babe like that. Okay. Hello? And no, she doesn't want. No. Forget about that. No, the guy is doing fasting. He doesn't want any girl for now. We're not happy, maybe they're better. Okay, you know what you do? Arrange 2 or 3 of your chicks now. All those fine ones now that can dance kiriwa where. Arrange them. So that I'll do 3-some or 4-some. If possible, if they are ready, I'm ready for 10-some. As long as there is some. Okay. No problem. I'm waiting for you people. Dalo. Good. This girl.
You want to do 10-some? Which strength? Is it this one I'm seeing, or you left some at home?
Huh? You know some old way that used to go to Lagos that time. Have you heard of Aproka must go, but he go delay you? You know that time Marco Polo came out newly. You see Marco Polo, he take off. Aproka will be going like this. Pick. Before you know it, you see Marco Polo don't pack off for road. Aproka will leave and go. So, Kuda, when the time comes, you know what I'm telling you.
Help yourself.
I'm enjoying my money.
Yourself.
I'm enjoying my money one day. Hey. So, what I'm saying is that your wife is not at home. All you need to do is just relax and enjoy yourself. See, I'll be the one to sponsor everything.
You don't have to worry, yeah? I have food at home. I have rice, I have stew, I have okwa.
Ofaku? Do you have ofaku?
But once it's 7 o'clock, I'm leaving here.
My man!
Biko. Oh, Akukalia. I meant everything I said. forget about this case. Because once we are talking about it, my wife's name must be mentioned. Biko. Oh, Lofuzie the case.
You know you're my man. Every time I look at you, I feel like...
See, JJ. While dealing with all these women, I make use of every opportunity that comes my way. Oh boy, now money I find.
Money. See, now 1 million they call here. Now 1 million naira.
Oh boy, forget that thing. I already told her that this thing costs a lot of money. I tell her I'm saying now only big men they hire your services. Yes.
Ordinary GSM tracking.
No be as ordinary for your eye, ordinary for other people's eyes. See, just come talk your own. Now me go convince am finally. I'm telling you.
Honey, I know if you do that kind of work. I know you know me now. I know if you going to do that kind of business. See, now 1 million naira with the call here. My mind no carry. I know if you do my beg. My day jenga.
Oh boy, JJ, you dey fool my hand. You dey fool my hand. You dey fool hand.
See, if na 500,000, maybe we tell this people. Now big men with this. My day jenga. See, if na 500k, I feel manage. Maybe we tell them that one. I dey fear. My mind no carry am. Now 500k, you know my guy. Go tell them
500k.
Yeah.
Now what's in your mind accept that?
Yes, now what's in my mind accept.
Okay, fine, no problem.
Make sure you no come dey disrespect us. Make you no come think say now. Make sure you no come think say now say we be thief. We come carry person. I beg 500k.
500k.
Yeah.
Deal.
Yeah.
Okay. No wahala. Drink up. Let's go.
The software is usually downloaded every 3 months. The software creators did it in such a way that they will be generating money from it every 3 months.
Yes.
And if you want to download a new one, you have to pay online, like $500.
Save yourself the explanation. How much will everything cost?
Like, let's say 500,000 naira.
So you're telling me now that if I give you 500,000 naira, you're going to track her? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, straight up. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nani, get his account number. Okay, do you want the money cash or transfer?
No, I prefer transfer because
Transfer.
I have to download some.
That's okay. Get his account number.
Okay, Mama.
All right.
Oh boy, I first even want to make maybe 1 million. I foresee 1 million.
Calm down now. I know say she will buy the matter. I don't know say.
I tell you this
man.
thing.
No, hear this thing. Yes, she is currently in Imo State, and I'm working on identifying the particular place where she is before her phone went off.
Okay. What next?
Before tomorrow morning, I will update you the exact place where she is in Imo State.
But I think it would be nice if we use a tracker on the day of the heat.
Correct, you are right. So that we don't work on assumption, then lose the mental.
Listen. What I need is result. I need result. If you need extra money, you let me know ASAP. I'll get it to you. Get to work right now.
Oh boy, you don't fuck up.
Wait,
Guy, fuck up. You foresee 1 million by now. 1 million for your account. Guy, no, don't do this work now.
Now, so that mind strong. If you need this work to go,
at least make you answer millionaire for 1 day.
I know now.
What's your problem?
Relax, I
Guy,
go.
fuck up.
No, we can't add this job. If you go drop something.
I'll be how far.
If I talk to you, you will think I am weak. If I call your number, I'm not sure you will answer. But I'm dying inside for my foolish pride. I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know. Since we've been apart, this house is not the home. I feel so empty, I feel so alone. But no matter how long we fight, two wrongs so, but I don't want it.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Listen, what I need is result, no stories. Am I understood?
You can trust me in that, Mama.
Alright, I trust you guys. Be careful, okay? Alright. Move.
If there's anyone to be punished between us, then it's me. I was carried away by friendship goals that I had to jeopardize the union I had with you. Please. It will never happen again. I regret my actions. Please, my love, forgive me. Come back home. The home needs you.
Amos, I don't think what you're asking is possible.
Why?
You're seriously asking me why? Have you suddenly forgotten what happened, Amos? How can you possibly ask a woman who tried to poison your food to come back to your house? Are you forgetting the fact that she might be tempted to repeat same actions? Where is the trust, Amos? Will you comfortably eat any food prepared by me? Would you sleep comfortably at night, having it at the back of your mind that I might try to kill you again? Amos, it's over. We have lost it. Please just go.
No, it's not, my love. I still trust you. I still want you. If I trusted you for 9 years of our marriage, then why won't I trust you for the rest of our lives?
What if I don't trust myself?
Oh, my love, don't say that. I don't care. Leave me to worry about that. If I die from your bullet, then I think I died a fulfilled man.
Amos, I don't think I can do this. I defiled our marital vows by sleeping with another man the same night I left your house.
My love, if I can repent after cheating on you with several girls, and I still want you back, why won't I forgive you for cheating on me for just once? Please, come back home. Come back. I still need you. Our children need you. Our home needs you. We can amend our wrongs and go back to the beautiful couple we used to be before the enemy struck us. Please. Please, my love, come
Amos.
back home, please. I'm sorry for everything. I'm a changed person. Seriously. I forgive you. I forgive you. Please. Please.
I need time.
Love, the time is now. What will I tell our children when they return this week? What will I tell them when they ask questions concerning you? What will I tell them?
Amos, please just go back. Tell them what they need to hear.
My love.
I can't come home.
You know our children, they will keep asking.
Just tell them anything.
They will keep asking, where is mommy? Where is mommy? What will I tell them?
Amos, as of now, there is no conviction that we are still together. Please just go.
Okay, love is something that I want, my love, please. My love.
Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me.
My love.
Nobody lose, nobody win. Come back house, oh. Make we the manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you, come back house, oh. Make we the manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you, come back house, oh. Make we the manage love, they go. The time where I say make you back and go. Now vex, I dey vex, oh. As you come leave our house, now me the suffer, the bed they come there too biggie. The house come there too lonely. It be like say I want crazy. I'm not ashamed to beg, oh. Baby, come forgive and forget, oh. Come back, oh. Make everything way bite for 90.
I think she should be in that house.
Are you sure about that?
I'm correct. She's in that house.
Let's clean up this mess.
You have to be very, very fast.
No time.
Very, very fast, remember. Nailo, what happened? My brother.
This whole thing happened like a movie. I went to your house to see your sister, to beg her to come back home, since our children will be coming back from school this weekend. So after talking to her, she refused. So I got disappointed and went back to my car. When I was about to start the car, I heard a gunshot. I looked from the side mirror and saw one Sienna zooming off from your house. So I came down and rushed inside your house, and lo and behold, it's my wife. It was my wife. They shot my wife.
You are not making sense at all. Amos, you are not making sense at all. Tell me, what did you do, my sister? Confess now, what did you do, my sister?
Ndode, you don't have to be mad. I just told you everything that happened. Are you suspecting I shot your sister?
Yes.
Me?
Confess now, what did you do, my sister? Where's your sister? What happened?
Leave me alone. What are you saying?
What is going on here? Doctor, this idiot. This oil ass must confess what he did to my sister.
Calm down. You are disturbing my patients inside. This is hospital.
Doctor, please, how is my wife? How is she?
Well, she's fine. We have been able to extract the bullet out. She's okay now.
Okay.
Although she lost a lot of blood, but she's okay. Please, just calm down. This is hospital. Stop shouting like this.
Don't mind.
What is it?
She's inside.
She's inside. You can go and see her now.
How far? What's good?
Done.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Like done?
I shot her on close range. She was alone. She dropped.
Now, you know what? Take your friend to the guest room, okay? I'll meet you both there. I have something for you.
Whoa! Mama the mama, I held thee.
You're waiting on the top. Carry me go there.
Guy, calm down. Something today. Something always day. Calm down.
Give me that chicken last. Sorry. See, I didn't know what to think when your husband called. I was like, maybe he wanted the revenge. That was why he came back for you. Since you declined going home with him, that resulted to this act. I almost strangled him to death before the doctor. Yes.
Yeah. I thank God you did not do.
Yeah, Mama, I thought it was his setup.
No. It wasn't my husband. My husband wants me back in the marriage. He wants me to come back home. He couldn't.
Sorry.
He couldn't have done it.
Yeah. Who sent the guy?
I saw him. I know who sent him.
You do?
I saw him. I knew I saw him. And I know him.
I don't know. I don't know how to describe this, my in-law. I don't know how to describe. In fact, he's an angel. A God-sent angel from above. The first accident that almost snatched her life away,
He was there.
he rescued her. The second untimely death that wanted to take her away from us, he was still there. I wonder what would have happened if he was not there. I don't know.
And I was blaming him for masterminding the act. You just imagine. He didn't even move a muscle when I tried to strangle him to death. He didn't even move his hands.
My husband is a good man. What we share is beyond mere marriage. We are connected spiritually. That's why I've been unable to forgive myself. That's why I've refused to go back to the house. Knowing the evil I tried on him, Mama.
My daughter, you still have to forgive yourself. Oh yes. You see, everybody makes mistakes at one point of their life. And it takes strength, Madume, to leave your mistakes behind you and move forward. So you have to go back to your husband.
Bikono.
Eh? No.
Ufoma.
Oh,
Bikono.
No.
Bikono.
The time where I say make you back and go, now vex I dey vex you. As you come leave our house, now me dey suffer am. The bed they come dey too biggie, the house come dey too lonely. It be like say I want crazy. I'm not ashamed to beg oh, baby come forgive and forget oh. Come back, make everything wear bite for 90 be mosquito. Make everything it be my fault oh. I hurt you, you hurt me. My mistake oh. Nobody lose, nobody win. I don't agree, now you win. Come back, make me the manage your love for dear. Baby forgive and forget oh. Make everything wear bite for 90 be mosquito.
Boy, sir. There are bags in the trunk. Take the clothes, take it to that dry cleaner. Okay. Make sure he wash it now. Okay. At least tomorrow morning you go and pick it.
Okay, sir. Sir, the car keys.
Which car key? You want to spoil the alternator? My friend, when you're ready, you come and tell me, I'll open it.
Okay, sir.
I'm dying inside for my foolish pride. I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know. Since we've been apart, this house is not a home. I feel so empty, I feel so alone. But no matter how long we fight, two wrongs won't make a right. And I miss you so, but I don't want it to show.
Daddy, please, where is Mommy? Everywhere is empty. Where is Auntie Ini? Where is Mommy?
I'm sorry to tell you this, but you see, your mom was attacked by armed robbers. She's in the hospital.
Jesus, armed robbers attacked? Did they shoot her?
Yes, they shot her, but there's nothing to worry about. She's getting better.
Daddy, please take us to Mommy right now, please.
Okay, fine. That's not a problem. But that will be after you take off your school uniform and eat. Then we can go and see Mommy.
No, please take us to Mommy now. We want to see her.
Fine, okay. Definitely we're going to see Mommy. But I'm just saying, why not you freshen up, okay? Eat something, then off we go to see Mommy.
No, please, we want to see Mommy now. Please. We want to see Mommy now. Daddy, please. Dad, please, we don't want to eat our bed. Please, we want to see Mommy first. He's still right, Daddy, please.
But I'm dying inside for my foolish pride. I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know.
Who did you come with?
Daddy. Brothers.
So empty, I feel so alone. But no matter how long we fight, two wrongs won't make a right. And I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. miss you so, but I don't want you to know that I miss you. I don't want it to show. I miss you. I don't want you to know. I miss you. You would think I am weak. I miss you. So I don't want you to know. I miss you. Please don't look at me. I miss you. 'Cause if you look, you will see that I miss you. And I don't want it to show. I miss you. And I don't want you to.
Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. Come back house, so make we the manage love they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you, come back house, so make we the manage love they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you, come back house, so make we the manage love they go. The time where I say make you back and go, now vex I dey vex so. As you come leave our house, now me the suffer am. The bed come dey too biggie, the house come dey too lonely. It be like say I want crazy. I'm not ashamed to beg, oh. Baby, come back, forget, oh. Come back, oh. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito.
Mama. Hey. Can't you just face your business for once? Every little thing, you're running back here. What is it?
Mama, you can't believe what I just heard.
So what did you hear?
Hey!
What did you hear?
Mama, Brother Amos has brought back his wife home.
Just that.
Huh?
Good for them.
Mama, is that what you can say?
What else do you expect me to say?
Mama, are you the one saying this? You too. That your son brought back his wife home. The woman that poisoned his food. The woman that wanted to kill him. And this is what you could say?
Yes. No problem. By the time you get married, you will understand better. Oh?
Mama will have to do something. No, she must go.
Hello, darling.
Hello.
Okay, so we have work to do. All right, so we have work to do. Okay. I want you to call her.
Who?
Inyobong.
Oh, that's true. I keep forgetting.
Hello? Hello, Oka. Oka, good morning, sir.
Hello, Ini. How are you?
Oh, Oka, I'm fine, thank you, sir. Oka, good morning.
Good morning. Okay, quick one, eh? I want you to return to the house and resume your work.
Hey. Oka. Sorry, Oka. Oka, no fake so, but
That one you no go work. Okay, I cannot come back to the house and work when my madam you know dey there. Okay, you know make sense. Okay, I beg no fix, but you know go work.
Okay, hold on.
Annie, my madam. Hello? Madam!
I want you to come back to the house. My husband and I have reconciled and we are back together. So I want you to come back, okay?
Sai! Madam! Madam, is that you? Sai! I thought, madam, you have come back to the house. Sai!
Jesus Christ, she just can't stop.
Madam, I thought I say God can never fail. Sai! My madam has come back. My madam has come back to the house. Sai! Sai! My madam has come back.
Good girl. So she's coming back. Okay. No. No. I just left the bed. Okay, leave me now.
Come here.
You started.
Shut up, my friend! I get you for business later.
Shut up!
Now, or else I'll blow up your head.
So I'm thinking of going to Dubai next week to stock up my shop. I don't know if you would love to go with me.
I would love to.
Oh, let's go make this money together, girl.
I don't mind. You're doing well for yourself.
Very
Good day,
well.
ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
What's going on here?
We are a member of Anti-Crime Squad. I'm afraid that you're under arrest, both you and your friend.
Under arrest? For what?
For attempted murder of one Miss Ifoma Ezike, whom you sent your boys to go kill. Your boys have confessed, and the same woman has confessed that you confided in her on how you and your friend killed your husband in order to acquire the death compensation given to you by the club.
I'll need to speak with my lawyer.
Yes, please. You need to.
No problem, but that will be when we get to the office. Can you please follow us?
We don't have time.
I won't want to use force on you.
I will go. Let's go. Ifoma, get my bag. Susan! What is it? What is it with your screaming?
Call your boyfriend on the phone.
Why?
Call your boyfriend on the phone. Just call him first. It's ringing, but he's not picking. When I was telling you about his affairs with Acharugo, he thought I was jealous of you, Abi. Right before me, some policemen came with a van. Him and JJ were already inside the van, with their hands handcuffed. They then came to arrest, what's her name again? Acharugo and her best friend, just now. How did this happen? How? You better go and find out the police station they took your guy to. I know how you can help him. Okay. Where do I even start? When I was telling you, Oh yeah, bam! Hey!
My dear, if I should advise you, I'll ask you to go home and never to return here again. Your so-called boyfriend is not just an accomplice, also a murderer. The sugar mom is sent him to go and kill a woman that has a vital information about the dirty business they do. So you better leave here and never to return again before you put yourself into trouble. Thank you and God bless you.
You has killed me. What kind of thing is this now? Why? Why?
Madam, can you just leave?
Can we at least see him now?
See him for what?
Susan! Go! Please, let's go. Please, before we put ourselves into trouble. Please.
Oh, go now, but let's see him now. So let us see him and Why? Why?
It's okay.
Right? Why? Miriam, no, he lied to me. He lied to me that he didn't have any Acharugo in his life. I asked him. I'm very sure I asked him. Oh God, I'm so heartbroken. Noni cheated on me with an old cargo. An old woman. Jesus.
Baby, it's okay. I know you're hurt. I know how you feel. I have been there before. But the truth is that crying will not solve your problem. It will only worsen it. Okay? You have to pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. You will be fine again. You will be fine again. Yeah.
Oh God.
It's okay. It's okay.
Uga?
Good afternoon. What be that thing?
Uga, wannan magani burin tashi ne. This one na original fa, Allah. Uga, wannan magani burin tashi ne. If you use them after 10 minutes, I put them, wallahi tallahi, I go kashe shi gure kai. I go like them to say Allah. Wannan original.
This one they work well?
Wallahi tallahi, you go find me next time.
This one I feel lasts for 5 hours.
10 minutes after I don't drink them, forget them. I will kill him. This one I kill original.
So how much is this one?
Wallahi, this one 700. 700.
No. No be this way they say 500.
Uga, I get a customer at the sell 1,000. I'm okay. Abukina to bring up for 650.
500.
Okay, no good. To bring us 600. Abukidan lamana. This one original.
This one, if I use and the guy go they cry where?
Okay, if I use this one, I go come here. I go second for my phone number. Me, I dey pass here every day.
Okay, now 500 I go pay.
You see, na my abukina. Toka bring him.
This one na giding boom.
Wannan magani burin tashi da name. Aha, kawo tambaye maka bring him. To nagode. I will come next time pa. To bye.
Babe, I don't understand. What's keeping this man now? It's getting late.
Are you sure he's still coming? Babes. Make una chill now. He told me he's almost here. Relax. Una too dey hurry.
Time na money.
See, let me tell you. There is no time to waste time.
I know you. You get another work. Don't worry, better bag will come out from this.
Oh mama. Hey.
Sugar daddy.
Hey, sugar
the
daddy.
only original sugar daddy we have.
Yeah.
No contender.
Yes, so. Correct. Sugar daddy 1.
Yes.
Yeah? My friend is sugar daddy 2.
But you did not apologize for keeping us waiting.
Where are you from? Which country are you from? How can you be chopping my fish at the same time drinking my stout? You still want me to apologize to you? Are you a policewoman? Please come and take them upstairs. You'll be talking about how you go upstairs and relax and pose monkey style for me. Yeah?
So your room.
Yes.
Sugar daddy.
How much as an hour? When you go upstairs, show me that. Yeah? Hey. This one is like joy soap.
And please don't keep us waiting next time.
No why you now matcha. He reach out my baby. Nebia, please come and give me that your price. Let me know how much they consume. What is that? Oh, okay.
I forgot my phone.
There we now matcha. Where is this guy? Hi. Giddy gada gada. Yeah.
Sugar.
I hope you people are ready.
Yeah, we are ready.
Hey. In fact, bring more 30 of you people.
No be by talk, na action they talk about.
Trust me.
So what's keeping the action?
Hey, Masankali. Hey, you know the way I'm going to handle you people. Doggy. I get a video from Doggy. Go and pose for me. Go and pose for me.
Hello? Yes? Yes? From where? Greenleaf Hotel? My husband? What's the problem?
Madam, please, you need to come down to the hotel first.
I am not coming anywhere if you don't tell me what the problem is.
Madam, this is really important. This is a matter of life and death.
Are you listening to me? I am not coming there except to tell me what happened. I will cut this call and I won't pick it again.
Okay, ma. This is it. It's about your husband, Mr. Akukalia. Mr. Akukalia is, your husband is dead.
What?
He went in with 3 girls last night, only for the porters to go to the room right now to find his dead body alone in the room. Right now, the girls are nowhere to be found. So we need his family members to come down here and help us.
It's Nagini Mirakukaria. What happened? Is this how this man has finally decided to end his life? What is he doing with 3 girls at a time, Biko Kwanu?
Madam, please. You just need to be here immediately. This is not relevant.
Are you listening to me? I am not coming there. If you like, throw his corpse away. If you people like, bury him. But I'm not coming there. Since this is the way Akokari has decided to end his life. What is he doing with 3 girls at a time, Biko Kwanu? I'm not coming.
Hello, ma? Hello?
Is this how this decided to leave me with these children? Akokari, what are you doing with 3 women at a time? I'm always warning you, where your wife, Akokari, every time. You're carrying women who don't wear now. Oh God! 3 women at a time. If you were taking 2, Grenade, 3 at a time, I'm not even crying for you. I'm not crying for you. You purposely killed yourself. You purposely wanted to die, Akokalia. But you see these 4 children my God has given me, Akokalia. I will take care of them. Go! Lanodo. I'll take care of them.
What did she say?
Oh my goodness. She said she's not coming. Oh my God.
It's okay, don't worry. You see, I will call his friend.
Okay.
I will look for a way to sort for his number.
Okay, please do. Please. I don't know. What are we? Oh my God.
Kept warning you. Look how you've killed yourself and wasted your life like a useless father. Nakukalia go. Oh God, I said I will.
Get one.
What? Jesus. When? Hey! Hey! In the hotel. Okay. I'm coming there. I'm coming there now. Jesus Christ.
What is it and where are you going?
Hey!
You must talk to me. You're getting me worried. What is it?
My man. Oh.
Amos.
My man.
Amos.
The general secretary called me now.
Okay.
He said our general chairman, Akokalia, my best friend, was found in the hotel dead after taking enhancement drugs to sleep with 3 women.
Jesus Christ.
Hey! Akokalia, Kisija.
Hey.
Kisija.
Amos, you need to come.
Hey! Jesus Christ.
Hey, Amos. Just calm down. So what do you intend to do?
I have to go to the hotel now.
Please be careful. Hey.
Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. Come back house, oh. Make we dey manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you, come back house, oh. Make we dey manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you, come back house, oh. Make we dey manage love, they go. The time where I say make you back and go. Now vex, I dey vex, oh. As you come leave our house, now me dey suffer, the bed they come there too biggie. The house come there too lonely. It be like say I want crazy. I'm not ashamed to beg, oh. Baby, come back and forget, oh. Come back, oh. Make everything way by bite for 90 be mosquito. Make everything be my fault. I hurt you, you hurt me. My mistake. Nobody lose, nobody win. I don't agree, now you win. Come back, make me the manage your love for the go. Baby, forgive and forget. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you come back house, make me the manage your love for the